Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And in today's video, I wanted to show you a few apps that allow you to mine cryptocurrencies for absolutely nothing, so completely for free, and that will inevitably, and it seems like in a very short period of time, become actual tradable cryptocurrencies that'll be on the blockchain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with all of them are completely legitimate. I have had zero security issues. I've researched all of these. I've used them all for a little bit of time. And so we're going to start with the first one. So TimeStope is what it's called. Actually, is relatively new. Let's go to TimeStope here. So with TimeStope, they allow you to mine what's called time coins. So none of these that I'm showing you are actually official ones that you can really trade yet. You might be able to trade with other people who have it, but that's about it. So there's no wallet or anything like that yet. So TimeStope, long story short, all you have to do, bottom right-hand corner, you hit the calendar, and then every day you have to click on the date to check in, and that's it. So as long as you check in consecutively, you'll have no issues. You'll continue to accrue this time coin per hour, for free. That's it. So once you check in once a day, so you could check in at 11:58 p.m. on one day, and then check in at 12:01 a.m. on the next day, and that's it. You're done for the day. Let TimeStope do the rest of the work, and that's it. So the idea behind all of these that I'm showing you is that basically they're getting people in at the ground level to make these cryptos have a demand, and then actually allowing them in the near future to be traded for U.S. currency, any other currency, or for other cryptos. So the more people you refer on all of these, the more you will earn per hour. So it's that simple. And so what we're going to do, so with TimeScope, like I said, you just want to make sure that you clock in every day. As long as you clock in once a day, you're good. That's it. Very, very simple. So the next one is it's called B. So, but they're actually called B coins. So this is actually an app that has Bitcoin is pretty much loosely based off of Pi, and they've had an incredible amount of users join in a very short period of time. So it works on the same premise where they are creating a demand for this crypto that's not actually officially tradable, but will be in the near future. And so what they're doing, as you can see down here, they're cutting. So if you had gotten in before they had 100,000 people, you would have made 1.6 Bitcoins per hour. So right now it's 0.4 Bitcoins per hour, and the same thing. The more people that you invite, the more you will make per hour, and it's just that simple. So, and with Bitcoin, the only thing you have to do is it reminds you once a day to start mining. Every 24 hours, it will remind you again. Click it, close it, and that's it. Leave it alone. Refer people whenever you want to. Now the next one, this was the first one I found, was Pi. And I actually really do like Pi because they have this system in place where they are trying to hit phase 3 by Q4 of 2021. So that's between October, November, December of 2021, where this will actually have its own wallet where you can trade the Pi coin for other cryptocurrencies and other world currencies like the US dollar, for instance. So it's the same thing with Bitcoin, once a day. It'll remind you to mine for 24 hours. So literally 2 seconds out of your day, you click the lightning bolt, it mines, you close it out. The more people you refer, the more pie you will gain, per hour. So it says 0.59 per hour. If I have 8 out of 11 people that are active, if I had 11 out of 11, my pie per hour would go up. So this one looks to be very, very, what's the word I'm looking for? But they look to be the one that will come out on top first. By the end of 2021, they will be an official cryptocurrency that can be worth anywhere between $1 and $100 per pie. So, and it's very similar with Bitcoin as well. So TimeStope is just something that so it was Pi that was made first, then it was Bitcoin, and then it was TimeStope. So I believe that at least all of them will, by late 2021, early 2022, you will start to be able to trade these cryptocurrencies for actual money or for other cryptocurrencies. And now the last one I have to the side, I have done a video on. So I've done a video on Pi before, and I've done a video on HoneyGain. I like HoneyGain, let's see here, because you can actually run it on as many devices as you want. You can have it on as many cell phones as you want, as many computers as you want, just to gain more. Now, I've actually, with HoneyGain, I have cashed out at maybe 8 to 10 times with HoneyGain so far. And so basically what HoneyGain does is they use your unused bandwidth. So let's say you have a service provider that gives you a gigabit per second of internet speed, and you're only using 100 megabits of that speed. So anything left over from that, they can use for whatever purpose they want to. I believe they're trying to use your unused bandwidth to mine cryptos themselves. But anyway, so the more people you invite, the more that you are sharing your bandwidth, then you'll see this little, it says 3,164 of whatever these are. It says like these little honey points, basically. So once this reaches 100%, which will be equivalent to $20 US dollars, you can actually get a payout to PayPal for $20, which I've done up to 10 times, I believe. Or now you can actually say, no, I don't want the $20. I want the amount in Bitcoin. So it'll actually send you whatever $20 is of Bitcoin to your wallet, which is actually pretty cool. And they've only recently done this. So you're not actually mining Bitcoin, but you do have the option to trade Bitcoin, to trade what you've made into whatever currency you are using, or to trade it into your Bitcoin wallet. So, and the same thing, the more people you refer, the more you will make. They have something every day where you go to their dashboard and you go and it says your honey jar winning plus 20. And so you go to the dashboard, you click this little honey jar, and it just adds free points onto your total balance. So it's pretty cool. And like I said, I've had this for a couple years and I've always cashed out. But the really cool thing about this is you don't need to be reminded to do anything. It just does it. If you want to invite more people and get more of these honey points, then cool. So again, you can either cash out for whatever currency, or you can cash out to a Bitcoin wallet. That's simple. Very cool. So just to reiterate, Pi is my favorite one as far as mining an individual cryptocurrency, because they have an actual plan in motion that by the end of 2021, whatever Pi you have mined for free will be worth actual money and will be tradable for other cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is right behind Pi in that aspect. They're almost identical in every area, but I believe it may be a couple months after Pi that Bitcoin becomes an official cryptocurrency. And then TimeStope at the bottom here, they're a lot newer, but it's another one that has a lot of traction, and not a ton of people know about it either. So TimeStope right now is a good one to get in because you can get more time coins per hour than you can with Bitcoin or Picoin, just because TimeStope hasn't been around for too long. So, but Pi and Bitcoin definitely have to. I mean, I just have all four of these. It's not going to hurt anything. The worst thing. So put HoneyGain to the side. HoneyGain, you will always get something from it. But as far as mining individual cryptocurrencies, these three right here that you see in the center, these are the ones that the worst thing that happens is you've wasted 2 seconds of your life a day, mining, and that's it. The best thing that happens is that they become official cryptocurrencies on the blockchain, and they can be worth from anywhere from $1 to $100 per per coin. So Picoin, Bitcoin, or Timecoin. So yeah, Pi is still my favorite. B is a close second, and TimeStope I do believe will just take more time until it becomes an official cryptocurrency. And HoneyGain, you can just leave on there all the time. Why not make some extra cash, or get some extra Bitcoin for just having it on devices and on your computer and referring people. And for all of these, you do need a referral link to sign up. The referral link is Paul IOJR, Paulio Jr. So that's how you get in. That's how you sign up. And then the mining is very simple. It's very self-explanatory. This is not rocket science at all. But these are things that are just, they are going to close memberships very soon on Pi and also on the Bitcoin. They are closing memberships very soon to mine for free. So that's why I highly advise that you get on these right now before they do close that, because eventually they will stop allowing people to mine these cryptos for free, and you're going to have to pay. Then you're going to have to actually start paying for it. So why not mine it for free, and then by the end of 2021, going into early 22, maybe a little bit later, you can actually trade it in for real money or for other cryptocurrencies. So I hope this video helped you. Make sure you check it out. I'll put all the links in the description. Yeah, I like all four of these, to be honest with you. But, I've had most of my experience with HoneyGain, Pi, and B. TimeStope is a relatively new one, but it does... but they do have a good structure in place to become an actual crypto as well. So, yep, that's it. Tried my best to keep it short and sweet, so get my point across. So, all right, love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later. Boink.